What we find is that in nature, when two or more things align, we usually achieve what we refer to as resonance. Resonance is a phenomenon in nature in which inanimate objects, things that don't have life, as it were, sympathize with each other. My neighbor's generator is quite close to my pillow. But I've learned not to hear it. But my kitchen door hears it. Each time they switch on that generator, my kitchen door responds. My kitchen door sympathizes with my neighbor's generator. Neither of them is animate. Neither of them is a living being. But each time that generator comes on, my kitchen door sympathizes. No other doors in the house sympathizes. The reason why that door sympathizes is because it resonates. Both the generator and that door operate under the same frequency. And each time that generator comes on and issues that same frequency, my kitchen door responds. That is what we refer to as resonance. My earliest experience of resonance was trying to swing in the play yard swing.